Hello, today I'm in Audi Q5. In this video I'll show you how to use front wipers. In the beginning, take a look behind right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. To activate front wipers, you can use them once by pushing this lever downwards. You can use it in constant mode by pushing it upwards. You can adjust constant mode intensity by changing position of this part of the lever. You can use them in low mode and in the end in high mode. To turn off front wipers, set it to off position. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.